So you may have seen in one of our previous videos that we did a modification to the bunkhouse in our kids' room. Today we're going to be continuing that modification. We're going to be working on the other side of the bunkhouse to give our oldest daughter a more livable space for someone her age. We're going to be removing the bottom bunk from her side of the bunkhouse, and we're going to be replacing it with a chest of drawers and a desk. The desk, as well as the chest of drawers, have come from IKEA. The chair from Amazon. I'll add some links below. This should be a pretty simple, straightforward modification, as I've done all the pre-work as far as measuring goes, and making sure everything will fit properly. So let's get to it! As you can see here, there's a ton of wasted space in RVs. With 3 kids in this room, we really need to make the most of this space. I'm sure you noticed the massive holes in the walls once I removed the bed. In order to fix this, I added an outlet as well as a raceway for the wires to run through. It's not an ideal situation, but it's much better than having holes in the walls and wires hanging out everywhere. So the fit behind the dresser was a little tight. So what I'm going to do is remove this trim piece right here, which should get us a lot closer to the wall. I've got to say, Jaco did a fantastic job putting this one single piece of trim on. Most of the other trim in the RV I've had to reinforce and staple up there, but not this one. This one I've had trouble even getting it close to coming off. I was able to get a flathead screwdriver in here and pry a little bit to get it to budge. And then finally, I can pull it off. But of course they would make the most hidden piece of trim the most durable. So I took the top drawer out, and now I'm gonna fasten the dresser to the wall and the finished product. And now we're done. And look at that, our slide even closes. I'm glad it does because I totally did not plan for that when doing this project.